Thank you for coming back to Mama Gio in the Kitchen. In our last video, we asked what you wanted to see next, and one of our viewers asked for a Japanese cheesecake. Today, Mama is helping me make it. If this is your first time visiting our channel, we'd appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. Make sure to click on the notifications bell so you won't miss out on our next recipe. Now let's get to it. These are the ingredients, and we'll be sure to post it in the description below. First, we're going to separate the eggs. The egg whites are going to go in this mixing bowl, and the egg yolks are going to go in this separate bowl. Next, we will need an 8 by 3 inch round pan, and we spray it. Now, we will preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, we will melt together 1 cup and 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 7 tablespoons of milk. We will melt these ingredients in the microwave. We will put it in for 60 seconds, take it out, stir it, and put it back in. We will do that 2 or 3 times until it is completely melted. We will transfer the melted ingredients into a stand mixer bowl. Turn it up to number 2, which is medium speed. Mix until completely smooth. Now we will sift together 3/4 cup of cake flour, 2½ tablespoons and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Once the mixed ingredients are smooth, stop the mixer. You must add the sifted dry ingredients, 1/4 cup of sugar, egg yolks, and lemon juice. Start the mixer and, all at the same time, blend the added ingredients well with the cream cheese mixture. Beat it to medium, which this mixer is too, until ribbon smooth. When this is done, transfer it to a clean bowl, and then clean this bowl in preparation for the egg whites. Now we will whip the egg whites at medium speed with a wire whip of a stand mixer. When the meringue takes shape, we will add in 1/4 cup of sugar and the tartar. When the meringue is done, we take it out. And then we will take 1/3 of the batter and fold it into the meringue. Make sure you fold it very gently. Then, we take another 1/3 and fold it in. Fold the last 1/3 into the meringue. When you are done, the final solution should look like this. Pour the batter into an 8 by 3 pan. Now we will set the pan inside a tray that we fill halfway up with boiling water. Now we will bake it for 60 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Afterwards, we will drop it down to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we wait impaciente. Good luck with this recipe, and let us know how you did. If you have any questions or recommendations, please put them in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye.